Welcome back to our channel. This time we're at Tipara Rocks on the Yorke Peninsula, South Australia. Tipara Rock Bush Campground is run by the Yorke Peninsula Council and costs $20 per night. It's a small campground with 3 separate areas. There are no toilets facilities, so campers need to be self-sufficient. At Tipara Rock campsite, you have fantastic views of the beach, which you can access and walk on. Sit back and watch the drone footage. Please like and subscribe. When we were sitting relaxing around the camp, we came across a skink and some birds. It was a great night to watch the stars as it was clear. Thanks for watching.